So what were some of these new ideas, things that you're like, we're just going to go talk to the team about this?
I don't know that I'd say it's a new idea.
Yeah.
It was just finally implemented.
Okay.
Sonia and I had a conversation about discovery questions, and it was about the technicians. And so I thought, okay, well, who knows better all the questions that need to be asked than the technicians themselves? So I kind of made a worksheet, had a meeting with them, and said, here's the service we offer. What do you need to know? Right. And all of them filled out their own. So a lot of them had the same answers, but a lot of them had different things that somebody else, maybe with less experience, had. Yeah. So I was able to kind of take all that, and I figured out a way to actually put it into ServiceTitan, so that way it automatically shows up for the call taker when they select the job type.
Makes it a lot easier that way.
Yeah, and so the initial goal was to help the techs get more info to be better prepared. But what I ended up finding was it was actually, it was beneficial for them. But it was like way more beneficial for the call takers. Right. Because all of a sudden, you know, you have a customer who's like, oh, I want to install a ceiling fan. Why can't you give me a price over the phone? Oh, well, do you know this, and this? Oh, no, I don't. Okay, well, that's why we have to. Yeah. And all of a sudden our booking rate jumped. Wow. And I was like, I did not see that coming. That's really cool.
I hate to put you on the spot. Maybe, you know, again, it's in the software, but like what other discovery questions, things, you know, like that? Can you remember off the top that were like, oh, that one, oh, you know, we used to get trouble with booking people, but once you ask those two, three questions, they were like, okay, come on out.
I would say the ceiling fan one is the biggest because everybody thinks it's just such a standard thing. Right. There was tons of questions with that, like how high are the ceilings? What's the wire size, the breaker size? Is it a standard ceiling fan or specialty? You know, things like that. People didn't really know. But then also people who were looking to get estimates on like car chargers. Yeah. Which was really helpful because for a typical person, they think, yeah, it's just the charger, you put it in. But they need to know how far from the panel. Same thing, wire size, breaker size, how big is the panel? How many amps does it have? So many things that a typical person wouldn't know. Right. And even I was like totally shocked when I was reading these. I was like, how did I not even think about that? And I'm in the business. Sure. So that definitely has helped improve the booking rate, but it also really helps the techs because then they have what they need before they go versus having to leave to go pick up parts. And yeah, it's helpful.